Jude Bellingham appeared to be very frustrated at Kylian Mbappe during Real Madrid's 2-1 defeat to Athletic Cup on Wednesday night. The Englishman was positioned in the penalty box, anticipating a pass from Mbappe as Los Broncos tried to chase the game, but Mbappe chose a different approach, attempting to dribble past his maker before delivering a cross, which proved unsuccessful. Real Madrid suffered their fifth defeat of the season on Wednesday night, failing 2-1 to Athletic Cup at Saint-Mamés Stadium. The match highlighted another disappointing outing for Kylian Mbappe, who missed his second penalty in 8 games and struggled to deliver for Los Broncos. Bellingham, who scored Madrid's goals to temporarily level the match, was visibly frustrated throughout at Mbappe. The midfielder's determination was evident as he battled tirelessly to inspire a comeback, even ending a late booking for Dyson. Particular flashpoint came late in the game when Mbappe opted to take on Athletic Dani Vivian instead of passing, only to lose possession for a goal kick. In a video shared on social media, Bellingham gestured furiously, appearing to curse as he cast a frustrated glare at Mbappe. That's it for today. Please catch me on my next video.